Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you a comparison between Squarespace and GoDaddy in 2024. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. Before we start, I recommend checking out the link in the description box to create your account on Squarespace and GoDaddy. Let us start our comparison with Squarespace. Squarespace is a comprehensive website building platform that offers a range of features to help users create and manage their websites. Squarespace provides a collection of professionally designed templates that cover various industries and styles. Templates are customizable, allowing users to tailor the look and feel of their websites. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Squarespace's structured editor simplifies the website building process for beginners. To start, click on the Edit button given in your top left corner. Here, you can easily edit your website by using different tools. All Squarespace templates are designed to be mobile and desktop responsive, ensuring a seamless experience across different devices. Now, let's go to Site Styles. Squarespace offers a robust blogging platform with features such as tags, categories, post scheduling, and the ability to embed content. Integrated social sharing options make it easy to share blog posts on various platforms. Squarespace supports online stores with features like product management, inventory tracking, and order processing. Now, let's try editing our website. First, click on Edit Site Header and change it. You can add log, site title, and logo, elements, style, and fixed position. From here, you just need to add the title of your site and it will be added in the header section. Then, you can click on Add Logo and upload the logo you want to use. Next, click on Elements. As you can see, we can attach button, social links, language switch, and cart from this section. Just turn the toggle given right next to each element to add it. After that, type the button name that you want to show on your website. Similarly, we can choose to have different styles for our website. It has a vast gallery of styles that you can choose from. Right below it, you can allow fixed position, which is further divided into two options, basic and scroll back. So, that is how you can edit the header part here. To add sections, you just need to click here. Now from here, you can choose a section that you want to add. You can also choose to have a blank section. Now the section that you have added is customizable. Click on it and then select Edit Section. Now from here, you can change its height to small, medium, or large and select to have different gaps. Also, you can have text alignment and fill screen options. This is mainly designed for beginners. Anyone can easily use these tools to build a website. On scrolling down, we got the options to change shape, divider, and stroke. By using these options, we can change the format. Now, let's go to background. For the background, you can choose to have an image, video, and art. You can also add effects and opacity to them. Then we have colors. From this given list, you can choose to have different text colors. By using these tools, you can change all the text present in your header section. By clicking on text, we have also got these additional tools to edit text. By using these, we can alter the writing pattern. We can have a different font style, make them bold, italic, change color, and others. From here, you can even change the thickness of text. Now let's see it on mobile view. This is how it will look on a mobile phone. The good thing is that you can make all the necessary changes to your website if it doesn't appear right on mobile view. Now, let's talk about GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a well-known domain registrar and web hosting company that provides a variety of services to individuals and businesses. GoDaddy provides a user-friendly website builder that enables users to create websites without extensive technical knowledge. It includes templates, drag-and-drop functionality, and customization options. Just like the Squarespace, you can use all the available tools to your edit website here. From the right, you can edit cover media, accent, alignment, and site navigation. If you need more sections, just click on the option given on your website. And you can add different sections easily. It offers differently readily available sections on different topics. You can pick whatever you want. If you are new, GoDaddy also offers a tour to show you how you can use its different features to build your website. Now click on text that you want to change and you'll see different tools on your right that you can use to edit them. You can also add a promotional banner and logo to your website. Once you are satisfied with it, you can preview your website or directly publish it. Users can access built-in analytics to track website performance, visitor statistics, and other essential metrics. You can also choose to add different themes to your website. You can add also color, fonts, and buttons to your website from here. The platform provides a versatile CMS for organizing and managing content efficiently. Users can create and edit pages, galleries, and blog posts with ease. Scroll down and change all the information as per you need it. Scroll down and change all the information as per your need. It is easy to edit them. GoDaddy provides security features such as SSL certificates, website security tools, and domain privacy protection to help safeguard websites and online transactions. For e-commerce businesses, GoDaddy offers online store solutions that include tools for creating and managing online shops. GoDaddy offers customer support through various channels, including live chat, phone support, and an extensive knowledge base. You can easily manage their domain settings, DNS records, and other domain-related configurations through GoDaddy's user-friendly control panel. Next, we have settings, given right next to theme. Here, you can edit basic information, social media links, favicon, and found on Google. GoDaddy's hosting services are designed to scale with the needs of the user, allowing them to upgrade or downgrade their hosting plan as necessary. GoDaddy provides tools and services to help users with online marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and social media integration. Google Analytics integration is also available for more detailed insights. Users can use customized meta tags, titles, and URLs for better search engine optimization. Squarespace allows users to set up and manage appointments, making it suitable for service-based businesses. This feature includes calendar integration and the ability to accept appointments online. Squarespace offers a feature called Cover Pages, which allows users to create simple, one-page websites with a specific focus, such as announcements, events, or product launches. Squarespace integrates with Acuity Scheduling, providing advanced scheduling and booking capabilities with features like client self-scheduling, calendar syncing, and payment processing. Squarespace includes built-in email marketing tools, enabling users to create and send email campaigns directly from the platform. This can be useful for engaging with subscribers and promoting products or content. Similarly, you can add a section in Squarespace and add blocks. Squarespace provides a wide range of content blocks, including text, images, galleries, forms, maps, and more. Choose the type of block you want to add to your page. Click on the block type, and it will be inserted into the page at the insertion point you selected. Once the block is added, you can edit and customize its content. For example, if you added a text block, click on the text to start editing. If it is an image block, you can upload an image and adjust its settings. Repeat the process to add more blocks to your page. You can add as many blocks as needed to create the desired layout and content. Lastly, let's touch on pricing. Squarespace can be slightly more expensive than some other website builders, but it includes hosting in the pricing. Plans cover a range of features, including domain registration, SSL, and more. While GoDaddy often offers competitive pricing, especially for the initial term, it may have separate costs for hosting, domain registration, and additional features. Squarespace provides monthly and annual plans with a 30% discount for annual subscriptions. GoDaddy, while offering monthly or annual plans, displays its prices only after adding a plan to the cart. It is important to note that GoDaddy's advertised cheap price is an introductory offer, subject to renewal at a higher rate after the first year. In conclusion, Squarespace emerges as a more premium product with a higher price point, reflecting its superior flexibility, template quality, and feature richness. If you prioritize these aspects, Squarespace may be the preferable choice. Feel free to explore both platforms via the links in the description below. That is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.